Hey guys, so I've been getting quite a few questions about the sizes of cake drums to use, so I just wanted to review everything with you, and I'm going to show you some pictures for some reference. Now, generally speaking, my cake drums are about 3 to 4 inches larger than the bottom tier of my cakes. This way, the cake is more stable because as the cake gets taller, it's going to be more prone to wobbling as you are delivering it, and having a larger cake drum will help prevent it from shifting or tipping over. Some people like the look of a really narrow cake drum, but for my peace of mind, I prefer to just go with larger ones for the taller cakes. But anyway, so the smallest cake that I make is a 6-inch cake, and that will always go on a 10-inch cake drum. This is a 6-inch cake on a 10-inch cake drum, which means there are 2 inches on either side of the cake. And I will also put a 7-inch cake on a 10-inch cake drum. That goes for 1 or 2 tiers. So if I make a 4-inch over a 6-inch, that still goes on a 10-inch cake drum, as well as my most popular size, which is a 5-inch over a 7-inch, and that goes on a 10-inch cake drum as well. So in order to calculate, like I said, you want to take the size of the bottom tier and add 3 or 4 more inches to find out how big you want the drum to be. Now, if I do 8-inch or 9-inch cakes, as the bottom tier, it will be on a 12-inch cake drum. So here's an 8-inch cake on a 12-inch drum, and here is a 9-inch cake on a 12-inch drum. And I will also do 2 tiers on the same size drum. So if I do a 6-inch over 8-inch, or even something like this one, which is a 5-inch over 8-inch. And sometimes on 12-inch cake drums, I will also do 3 tiers. So here's a cake with 4, 6, and 8-inch tiers on a 12-inch board. So when I'm using 14-inch boards, it's typically going to be a cake with the bottom tier of 10-inch or 11-inch, again, because it's 3 or 4 inches difference. And typically those are going to be 3 tiers. So if I make a 6, 8, and 10-inch cake, it's going to go on a 14-inch drum. And sometimes on a 14-inch drum, I will do a 4-tier cake, 4, 6, 8, and 10-inch. Although it is a little tall for the space that's available on the board, so I use my discretion, if you will, just to decide if I want to use a 14 or 16-inch drum for that. Now, when I use a 16-inch drum, that's typically going to be a 4-tier cake, with a bottom tier being 12 or 13-inch. So this is a 6, 8, 10, and 12 on a 16-inch drum. And sometimes I'll also do a slightly smaller 5, 7, 9, 11 on a 16-inch drum. And for the biggest cakes that I make, they go up to 14-inch as the bottom tier. I have to put that on an 18-inch drum, and that barely fits in my fridge. So that's the biggest cake that I can make, and that's why I go to the gym, so I can lift heavy cakes like that. Because I rarely make them. They're very stressful, they're big, they're difficult to transport, but they do look really pretty. But anyway, so I hope this helped. Usually, just remember, as a guideline, you want your cake drums to be at least 3 to 4 inches bigger than the bottom tier of the cake, unless you're doing a special design where you're decorating the cake drum and you need more space. And again, like I said, this is personal preference. You do you, boo, but I'm just letting you guys know what I prefer. So I hope that helped. If I missed anything, please let us know in the comments and let me know if you have any questions.